Why can't a lady like me? I admit I'm underfed, but with a pillow from the bed, I could be Santa Claus.
Please wait. We are transitioning to the new EAS design for Season 2 Phase 1.
This an announcement from the Shorts Wars Defense. Season 2 and Phase 1 will start. At this time everyone should choose two options. Side with the boss and betray us. Or help us and join the creator's side. At this time, mark your calendars for December 2nd, 2023. As the revolution will start then. Stay tuned for updates.
Merry Christmas! Ho, ho, ho. How are you? Merry Christmas, everyone! How are you?
Harry's coming.
So good to see all of you! Oh, wow, this is wonderful! Hi, guys, how are you? Oh, oh, oh. So good to see you!
Hey,
Santa.
Would you like me to come up there?
Yes, please.
I would
Let
be
me
glad to.
Oh,
I can
wow.
do that.
Santa, welcome.
Nimble.
Welcome.
How are you, young man? I thought they all talked like their parents.
That's right. That's right. Well, happy to have you here, Santa. All right, is everybody ready to light the all-American tree?
Are you going to help?
Count it down with me. 10.